Hello children, do you want to know a fun way to count things? In this video, we will learn counting in group instead of counting one by one. This means we count by groups of a certain number and then add them up. Let's try it out. Look at this screen full of juicy red apples. Wow, I'm getting hungry just looking at them. But hold on a second. Instead of counting each apple one by one, how about we try something much cooler and faster? Let's count them in groups. Can you see the first row with 2 apples? That's right. Let's write down the number 2. Moving on to the second row, can you count the apples with me? 1, 2, and 3. Amazing! We write down the number 3 next to it. Now for the last row. Can you count the apples and tell me how many there are? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Great job! We write down the number 4 here. Now we have 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 4. Let's add them up. 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 5 plus 4 equals 9. Whoa, that was super quick and easy, wasn't it? We counted all the apples in the groups of 2, 3 and 4. Now look at the board. There are so many colorful balloons. Wow, they look amazing, don't they? Now let's count how many balloons are there. Let's take the first 2 balloons and add them together with the third one. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now let's add the next 3 balloons to the total. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Amazing! So we counted all 6 balloons in just 2 easy steps. Next, we will count in pairs. Can you tell me what a pair means? A pair is a group of 2 objects, just like 2 balloons together. Now let's use our counting powers to count these ice creams in pairs. Are you ready? First, can you count the number of pairs in the first row? Yes, there are 2 pairs. One pair has 2 ice creams. The other pair also has 2 ice creams. So, 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Awesome! There are 4 ice creams in the first row. Now, let's move on to the second row. Can you tell me how many pairs are there in the second row? You got it right. 2 pairs of 2 ice creams each. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4 again. Amazing! There are 4 ice creams in the second row. So, we have 4 ice creams in the first row and 4 ice creams in the second row. Can you add them together like a superhero? Yes, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Students, let's look at the screen once again. There are 6 colorful groups of balls waiting for us to count them. Can you spot them? Yes, you got it right. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups. Now let's check how many balls are there in each group. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3 and 4 balls in each group. Fantastic! There are 4 balls in each group. Now comes the fun part. We will use our counting skills to find the total number of balls on the board. Let's do this together. We have 6 groups of 4 balls each. So, we can add 4 to 4, which equals 8. Then we add 8 to 4, which equals 12. Amazing! Now we add 4 to 12 and what do you get? You get 16. Keep going. Add 4 to 16 and you get 20. And finally, add 4 to 20 and you get 24. Yes, we counted all the balls on the screen. Great job, my little counting champions. So in this exciting video, we learned 2 amazing tricks for counting things. Counting in groups and pairs is so much fun and makes counting super easy and quick. So students, I will see you in the next video now, in which we will learn about more or less and ascending and descending order. Now let me tell you an interesting way to learn more with the EduRev app. Do you know that you can solve the worksheet of this chapter and can also take the MCQ test with the EduRev app? And why should you do that? Tests in the EduRev app are like a game, and this can also help you become the topper of your class. And not just mathematics. You also get courses for EVS, Science, English, Hindi, and all other subjects on the EduRev app. Go ahead and join the EduRev app to learn in the most interesting way.